Hello, thank you again for meeting with me last week. I figured I'd use one of my other classes' screencast video projects for this presentation. As I mentioned last week, I showed you some of the instructor information that was shared with me. First of all, you can see this is the Beachboard class. Uh, this is the Beachboard class information, set up with online rooms, grades, discussion posts, etc. As you can see, it has a basic feel to it. It has what she usually what she emails also is in theirs. And if you notice, there is no office hours, so you have to email her, and that's what been one of my issues with emailing her. If you notice, here's the content section. What's due? I have the course schedule. So what coming? Okay, on Sunday, November 19th, something's due. Well, here's the whole schedule. Week, we have something due on Wednesday. Then a month later, actually, I lied. 2 months later to the date, we have another thing due. So between Monday, the August 28th, and Saturday, October 28th, we didn't have anything on the calendar, which can be kind of confusing. Also, with the table of contents, you notice the table of contents goes from week 1 to week 3 to week 4 to week 5 to week 6, and then 14 and 10 are jumbled in here. 7, 8, 9, 11, and 12 are down here. So we've had some issue with following which way she's going to go. And so, for instance, we would have the week 4 paper, the application instruction paper is due. I have that downloaded already. And that is the application paper. So here's the application paper. Here you must uh, have this paper for week 4. I assumed, okay, now it's week 4. So we go back and we handle week four's application paper instructions. That's the same as I just showed you. Then week 5, we now have an assignment. In week 5 has no assignment posted. So I look and I say, okay, read chapters 3 and 4, read and watch the instructor provided content. Discussion board posts are available and application paper. Please read the instructions and submit in the Dropbox. So I emailed her. Okay, I'm having some problem, uh, and I'm having some problems following some of your dates. Uh, I was looking for the paper. I was looking for the book. Oh, sorry, this was dealing with looking for the book. I was having problems with finding the book, and then I was also having problems. So I forwarded some of. Here's my week 5 question. Uh, Here's her answer after I basically saying I can't seem to find the instructions or the rubric for application paper 3 that is due this week. I also have a due date of 9/24 Saturday due, which is yesterday. Sunday was the 24th. I assumed that the due date was the 30th. Then she responded with changing her whole. I copied and pasted this from the syllabus. Applications papers are due on Saturdays by 11:59 p.m. The syllabus listed under week 1 content. Please call Beachboard with any other issues. I didn't have any problems with Beachboard. I had a problem with the fact that the application paper wasn't there. So then, after I complained, and many of us complained on the discussion board, we had an issue, and we complained. I sent multiple emails. She now adjusted this. Now All application papers are used for application papers 2 on. So application papers 3 on were due. Okay, that's easy enough. Now I go back and I look at my application paper, turned in my application paper, and I get a 8 out of 5, 8.5 out of 10. So I'm like, okay, that's paper 1. Now paper 2, I turned it in. Did paper 2, got a, bear with me just a sec. Turned in paper 2, got a 10 out of 10, and this is her feedback. You did demonstrate a big improvement. This is dated October 4th. Turned in a paper September 23rd, but got the grade on October 4th. October 4th was after she said that I spoke with her in a negative tone in her office, after I had already turned in other papers where she had issues. So I'm showing you this problem. So I have the iris module. I had already asked about an iris module. She met with me. It was a positive meeting. So the iris module. This is iris module 2. So she said that 34% was by other people's instruction. Well, first paragraph, a lot of if schools planning documents meet the needs of all students. That's a basic answer to the question. And then the question itself was, what are the three major differences between traditional and inclusive school environments? So words like school, students, teachers, work, school climate, measuring progress towards goals, in an inclusive model school, personnel, uh, measure goals to keep thing, etc. Then as I showed you both, list briefly the 8 steps of the college module. Here's the 8 steps. That's the answer. Then I went and established every one of the 8 steps. Then discuss, discuss pros and cons of including an individual resistant to change. The two individual, those are used by other people. Yes. Con would be, pro would be. It seems very interesting how those words are copied. Then it it is important to provide. So I went and looked. This is 34%, right? So I went and looked at it. There's 20%, 20%, 20% turned in by somebody in April 2016. Then we go down to 18% turned in by someone in 2014. Then we go down to 17% turned in by somebody in 2014. So in the last 3 years, a lot of people have done the paper the same way. So then I went and changed that, and bear with me. So then I went, okay, I understand that. I'll take it. I'll change it. I said, oh, I'm sorry, I formatted my paper like someone else, I guess. I did not intend to copy anybody's paper, and I'm sorry if it looked that way. I'm just trying to figure out how to format my paper and not happen again. So what I did was I did the paper. All I did was delete. I just deleted the questions, and it comes up still 7%. It was 7% of the class said the same words, the 8 steps, the same words. So 7%, even with everything changed, it still looks like it's copied, even though it isn't. All I did was delete a few words, kept the pros and cons because that's the answer. All I did was delete a few words, took them out of the subject. So here's an example of my other issues. Here is my 1 point I showed you, my 1 point observation 355 class. Here is my 1 point. This is students range from mild to severely disabled. There's 28 students in the class. 28 students in the class. How could there be 28 students in the class? Okay, here's a picture of the class. Here's the class. There's the teacher. Let's count it. There's an aide. 1. There's another aide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh, what a concept. There's 28 people in this class. So basically, she said that I was incorrect. But that's actually on Halloween when there was 3 students missing. So there's 28 students when I went to the class. So she correcting me there. And she says, "Oh, this is an interview, not an observation. What did you observe?" Okay. So I went back to the paper, the observation protocol. Here's the paper. Here's the instructions. Protocol must be designed. Remember to ask the teacher clarifying questions. How did you collaborate? Exactly. Then it says, note, students must ask the teacher directly in case strategies above are not clearly observed. So if we ask the student, the teacher, I like to quote the teacher. This boy here uses assistive technology for modeling. I accidentally put 3, it was supposed to be 4, it autocorrected and I didn't change it in time. Of course, she had to say, this is not an issue. She told me a couple of things, and then I observed a lot of her seeing all of these uh, uses. She uses reward charts, the students receive instruction on functional academics, which is modified, collaboration, etc. Moving down to the teacher. So I didn't have any problems with that section. Didn't have any problems. Had problems because it was copying again the questions. Then she says, describe how the teacher communicated with the students in a culturally significant way. The class is currently reading The House on Mango Street, a culturally diverse book. So this is an interview response. What did you see in the lessons observed? This is an interview. She treats every student with respect of their cultures and is fair to all students who didn't understand something she might have to repeat or translate. That's what I observed. All over the classroom. Describe how the teachers developed caring classroom. All over the classroom. There's pictures, etc. She is a positive person. She's very comfortable. They're very at ease, except for the aides had issues. Um, Corrected me for saying positive and negative applied behavior analysis. There's only applied behavior analysis, etc. Now, was I expecting a perfect score? No, but the score I got was a, bear with me, the score I got was a 1. I got a 1 on that paper. I when that paper was due, let's take a look as to when that paper was due. And I think this has information on, here's the information. Paper was due on October 20th. I submitted it on October 20th, got feedback on November 4th. Only a couple of weeks out. That's relatively quick for her. The IRIS paper I did, submitted on October 7th. Originally, it was due, and October 9th, she actually corrected it. That was the quickest she had gone all semester on correcting it. I still have a paper right here, application paper 3, that I submitted on September 30th, and zero turned in similarity, and I still don't have a grade. So grade for this. I am doing fine with the discussion boards. I was doing fine with the application paper. You demonstrated a big improvement on this paper, and now there's no grade. Uh, Inclusion module 0. Feedback on this observation protocol. You did not follow the instructions for this assignment.